Hello everyone! Today we'll explore how to create educational 3D models for virtual and augmented reality step by step. And we'll place special emphasis on doing this inside Blender, one of the most powerful and accessible 3D creation tools available. VR and AR are revolutionizing the way we learn. Instead of looking at flat images in textbooks, students can rotate, dissect, and explore three-dimensional objects. Blender is perfectly suited for building these assets because it's free, open source, extremely flexible, and supported by a huge community. Whether you're creating a 3D model of the human heart, a medieval castle, or a physics experiment setup, Blender allows you to go from concept to VR-ready model in one environment. It includes all essential stages of production: modeling, sculpting, UV unwrapping, texturing, animation, and even simple rendering for previews. In this series, I'll guide you through the full workflow: planning, modeling in Blender, texture creation, optimization, and exporting your assets for VR and AR platforms. By the end, you'll understand how to build clear, readable educational models, and how Blender can support every step of the process.